In Amsterdam, I passed on the finished souvenirs to pick up the blank pair of clogs. Why? Because I wanted to build a memory, not just buy one. I'm painting them with Indian folk art to fuse two worlds, Dutch silhout with Indian soul. So I have decided to make my own beautifully designed Madhubani painted Dutch clogs or the pair of wooden boots. So in today's video you are going to enjoy how I have painted this and how I have created these beautiful pair of shoes. So welcome to my channel Shivani Creations, and without taking much time, let's start with the procedure. So here is the beautiful package I got from the store, and I am amused by the packaging. Also, they have beautifully painted or printed all the elements related to Dutch history or the Netherlands culture, just like cows, French fries, windmill, tulips, and of course the wooden clogs. So I just picked two small cutest wooden clogs which I am going to paint. Though there were already so many painted clogs available in the store, but I have decided to paint it by my own. And these are completely wooden. These are wearable. You can just decorate your house. You can hang it on the wall, or you can put some flowers inside this. It's all up to you. So I have decided to paint with beautiful Indian folk art form. So first of all, I am just removing the ribbon to separate the clogs. And then here I have prepared two semicircles in the front, and I have decided to create one parrot along with some flowers and the leaves. Very simple design using bright acrylic colors. So I am just showing you how I have drawn everything. First I am using here my pencil and creating the rough sketch. Since this is the Madhubani painting, so mostly each and every design has double lines in the Madhubani style. So we have to double each and every part like this. Now I am drawing one parrot here. Then just extending the branches and added lots of leaves and flowers randomly like this. Now using my black permanent marker, I am outlining everything before starting with the coloring work. Making double outline in the bottom of the boot. So the pen work is completely ready. Now it's time to color our boot. So first of all, I am painting the base using yellow acrylic color. These are matte finished acrylic color. Just skipping the front design and the parrot, and rest everything I am coloring with yellow shade. So the yellow part is done. Now we have to make small lines between these double lines, and this is the special pattern in Madhubani paintings. So I'm just covering all the double lines with these small lines. And also outlining the branches using black paint. Then it's time to color. So first I am starting with coloring the parrot using all the primary shades like green, yellow, red, blue and orange. Then I am coloring the front design. For the third row I am using dark chocolatey color. Then I am coloring the flowers. So the center circle I am coloring with blue color and the flowers I am going to color with red shade. Then coloring all the leaves using bright green color. Then this portion I am covering with orange. After that I am decorating the front part using some dots using white acrylic color and my dotting ball tool. Similarly, decorating the orange portion using dots. And then in the bottom double line I am coloring with blue color. And the base of the clog I am coloring with red shade. So the coloring is completely done and it's looking absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. I am keeping the inner part of the boot as it is because the darker tones are contrasting very well with the inner color. So the one clog is ready. Similarly, I am going to color the other clog. And now, since the coloring is done and the color is completely dried, I am varnishing it with gloss varnish to protect my colors and to make it last for longer. So both the clogs are nicely colored and painted, and can you see the shine in the sun? So now you can put some flowers inside this and you can hang it on the wall, or you can use this as a showpiece in any corner of your house. And next time whenever you visit to Amsterdam, don't forget to keep one of the pair and create your own design. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.